Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you're going to see how to change PC password when forgotten. So to do that, you have to follow the steps I'm going to tell you. So if you have a forgotten password because your Windows password is synchronized with your Google account, you need to reset your Google password. Choose an option like on your screen Windows device at the bottom left of your sign on screen. Click Add Work Account. If you have a Windows profile in Active Directory, click your existing account, or if you don't see your account, click Other Account. Enter your email address and click Next. Click Forgot Password. Follow the instructions to reset your password. After you complete the steps to reset your password, you are automatically signed in to Windows. So yeah, this is the way to reset a forgotten password on your PC. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.